mommy.
Hello, Mama.
Hey, mommy.
Hello, we are in Cyprus, Ayia Napa,
On the beach.
on the beach, on the seaside.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, Daddy.
In this video, we will present top 12 things we did with our family in 1 week in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. Number 12. Cape Greco. Cape Greco was designated as a National Forest Park in 1993. It is located between the busy resort of Ayia Napa and Protaras. A small chapel dedicated to Agioia Nargiroi is one of the few buildings in the park. Cape Greco can be easiest reached by car or by boat. Number 11. Park Paliatso Luna Park is an amusement park in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. It is a nice place to spend the evening with the kids. The park has more than 25 different attractions. The biggest and most popular attraction is the slingshot, the highest ejection seat ride in Europe. It is opened from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m.
Hi, Mommy.
Number 10. Thalassa Museum. We are at Thalassa Museum.
Daddy, I see. They are very beautiful. Are they very beautiful? Yes, they are.
And look how big. It's a basket. It's a basket. It's a basket.
A boat. The museum is located at the center of Ayia Napa and it has the sea as a subject matter. It is open since August 2005. The exhibits of the museum cover a chronological span from the Paleontological age through historical periods until present time. Number 9. Konos Bay. Konos Bay is located at the eastern edge of Ayia Napa where it meets the Protaras region. It forms part of the Cape Greco National Park, an area of outstanding natural beauty. This is a beautiful white sandy beach with crystal clear and calm turquoise water. There is a cafe bar with several refreshments and many water sports are available. Number 8. Sculpture Park. We have arrived at the Sculpture Park.
In Ayia Napa.
Located at the eastern edge of Ayia Napa and near the Mediterranean Sea, the Sculpture Park covers an area of 20,000 square meters. The park continues to grow, with more works being added each winter by talented international artists. The park is open from sunrise to sunset all year round and entrance is free. Number 7. Pantachou Beach. It is the closest beach to the center of Ayia Napa and starts at the harbour. This long natural bay, just east of the Ayia Napa port, is the longest strip in the region, stretching all the way to the Glyki Nero beach. Hello my guys!
Hello, mommy.
We have a beautiful adventure in Cyprus in Ayia Napa. Beautiful view, beautiful sea, beautiful adventure. The long natural bay is covered in fine golden sands and its crystal clear waters are relatively calm. It's a nice place where you can spend time with the family and the kids can play all day long in the sand. Number 6. Glyki Nero Beach. A walk on the beach. Located just 1 kilometer east of the center of the popular resort of Ayia Napa, the 250-meter long beach of Glyki Nero is a beautiful coastal stretch that reaches to the impressive Ayia Napa sea caves and continues west to the harbour. Its name means sweet water in Greek, and it is a sandy natural beach of fine white golden sands, shallow and calm, crystal clear sea waters. Number 5. Sea caves. The sea caves were formed by the erosion of rocks from waves crashing on the cliffs over the centuries. They can be explored carefully on foot or by sea, since to reach some of them you have to swim. Surrounded by crystal clear waters, the area offers many activities including swimming, snorkeling and for more adventurous spirits, cliff jumping. Number 4. Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon on the Cape Greco Peninsula is a must-see when visiting Cyprus. It has crystal blue water and looks like out of this world. There are several viewing and swimming areas for the Blue Lagoon in Cape Greco. Number 3. Bridge of Love. Located in beautiful Famagusta at Cape Greco area, the Love Bridge is one of the most amazing natural bridges in Cyprus. The Bridge of Love is a natural rocky arch bridge with an edge extending into the crystal turquoise and emerald sea from an elevated coastal plateau. The bridge has naturally been shaped as a result of natural processes, without human intervention. The Bridge of Love is a gift of nature and a romantic place for those who want to celebrate their love. Number 2. The Harbour in Ayia Napa. Ayia Napa Harbour is also known as Limanaki of Ayia Napa and is one of the focal points in Ayia Napa city itself. Ayia Napa Harbour area is a must-visit part of the town and offers something to see and do both in the daytimes and at night. Nati. We are in Cyprus, Ayia Napa. Nice view. From the harbour, you can take boat trip adventures, of which we can mention the Black Pearl Pirate Ship Adventure and the Yellow Submarine Adventure. In the description, we will share a link from each amazing adventure that we've had. There are pathways for walking along the harbour and also two pedestrian lanes that take you to the two lighthouses. All along the pathways, you will find cafes, taverns, and restaurants where you can relax, eat, or drink. A good lunch at the seaside.
Number 1. Seafront Pedestrian Promenade. It is a nice place to have a walk with your loved ones in the evening watching the sunset. Hi.
Hi, Ayia Napa at the sunset.
Do you like it, Nappy?
The sunset.
This was our adventure in Ayia Napa, Cyprus.
Next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe us for more adventures.
Yes.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
We had a beautiful adventure. We saw so many things
Yeah.
and the view is awesome. Check this out. Check this out.